Welcome. In today's guide, I'm going to walk you through a very simple and effective way to export all your photos from personal chats on the Telegram app for PC after the latest update. If you've ever wanted a safe copy of your photos outside of the app, this process will help you do just that in just a few steps. First, open your Telegram application on your computer. Once you're in, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. Click on them to open the main menu. From there, head straight into Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll until you see the section called Advanced and select it. The Advanced section allows you to control more detailed options, including data export. Next, scroll all the way down until you spot Export Telegram Data. This is the tool you'll need to gather and download specific information from your account. After you click on it, a panel of options will open up, giving you a choice of what kind of data you want to export. For this tutorial, we're focusing only on personal chats, so check the option for personal chats and make sure other sections are left unchecked. Once you've done that, continue scrolling down the list until you find the option for photos. Select it so that only your photos from personal chats will be included in the export. When you're ready, just click on the Export button. At this point, Telegram will begin preparing your data. Depending on how many photos you have, it might take a little time, so be patient and let it process fully. Once the export is finished, a new option will appear to show my data. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the folder containing all your exported information. Inside, you'll find the personal chat photos neatly saved and ready for you to use or back up anywhere you like. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can easily export all your photos without having to scroll through endless chats. This method is fast, organized, and ensures you have everything stored safely on your computer. If you found these steps helpful, make sure to give them a try the next time you need to save photos from Telegram.